Hi, my name is Ken Thamanoff. I'm the Ninja Rockstar Marketer. People know me from Skype Traffic Ninja. Been online since 2009. And OMG, I can tell you this new legacy builder program with digital products, absolutely freaking insane. Nothing like I've ever seen before. There's people out there crushing it, doing $10, $15, $20,000 daily paydays, instant commissions every day. Take a look at some of these testimonials.
It literally took me from 6 weeks without earning to starting to earn the next day. When it made sense and it clicked for me, everything changed. From the 1st of August, working through the 90-day ramp up, I'm already on $16,600. So that's like 299,000 Rand in our currency. That's like...
Hey guys, I wanted to share a few things about my experience with the Blueprint. And the first thing is the training itself. I've learned more than just about making money online. And if you truly allow yourself to become a student to the Blueprint, I was just looking for a way to generate a supplemental income around our busy schedule. And that was a must for me. So that was really important, being able to work around my schedule and still be able to generate that supplemental income. Those two unique things make the Blueprint a very unique opportunity.
Hi, my name's Chris, and I just wanted to take a minute and talk about how this community has literally changed my life. I am a single mom. I went through a horrible divorce, and then I had a moment remembering my mom sitting at the table crying, not knowing what she was going to do. She was also a single mom. And I just had this light bulb moment of I have to change the course of mine and my kids' lives. And that's what I've done. This community has been incredible. Not only do you learn all of this stuff about growing an online business and everything about digital marketing, but the support that this community has for everyone is just mind-blowing. It has changed my life, and it will change yours too. I hope you join us today.
Hi, my name is Regina. I joined because I love the fact that I have my freedom back. I choose to work only about 2 hours a day, and I have a business that is out there working for me 24/7, so I can be doing the things that I want to with my family. I'm a mother of one, he's 3 years old, and I wanted something that would allow me to enjoy my time with him in his first years of life. I know so many mothers that this is their main concern. I want them to know that I feel confident and excited because this Blueprint has allowed me to have the time I need to spend with my family. I love this community so much.
Like I said, holy shit, Batman. They are absolutely crushing it. Some of the income in some of these testimonials. Now, I've been in the back office and I can see it. It's 100% true, right? You can see all these bubble pop-ups happening here that have happened throughout my video. Those are real people making real money. And some of these people, they've never been online before. They had no clue what they were doing. All as they are doing right now is following the Blueprint. 100% commissions. 100% commissions. Now that's sick, right? So I'm telling you, I'm all in. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe below or click on my link below and let's go run with this together. See you on the inside.